Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my ProfitContact review. We're going to be taking a close look at this in this review, and also most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with ProfitContact. ProfitContact goes live on the 19th of August by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is the cloud-based WhatsApp messaging system. This is essentially a WhatsApp autoresponder that allows you to do marketing with WhatsApp, or basically allows you to kind of mass contact users on WhatsApp. And WhatsApp being a widely used messaging system used by millions or probably billions of people across the world, this actually makes marketing easy for you. Now, I've put together some custom bonuses that will really help you with this. I'm going to show you my custom bonuses right now, and also I'll let you see how ProfitContact works and how you can actually put this to use for your own profit. My first bonus is a cloud-based software that basically allows you to do affiliate marketing the easiest way possible. You'll be able to give out done for you lead magnets, which you are going to get access to, and this gives you access to done for you squeeze page templates. Now, the fact that you're actually giving something away for free actually entices so many people to want to be a part of what you are doing in the first place. So you're going to be getting access to done for you premium giveaways, and also you'll be getting access to squeeze pages that you can actually just add your affiliate links. People will need to give you their email addresses to get access to what you're actually offering. So this also allows you to build your list, and also you can actually export this list to any autoresponder. Now you're going to be able to build your list, and then once people actually give you their email addresses, they'll be redirected to the premium giveaway you are giving them. But not only that, there's also going to be linked to your affiliate offers on the same thank you page, which is cool. So basically, this is the easiest way to promote and make money with affiliate offers. Also, bonus number 2, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based traffic software. You are going to be getting access to the pro version of Octagon, which gives you access to done for you ClickBank product reviews. One of the cool things about ClickBank is you don't need to get approval to get your links to promote any affiliate offer. So all you need to do is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, log into Octagon Pro, and save this to your profile. And then all these product reviews become active with your own affiliate links. And also this gives you access to free traffic, and also you get access to training that shows you how to drive some free traffic to make sales with your affiliate offers. Also, bonus number 3, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based autoresponder. This one is an email autoresponder. You are going to be getting access to this with also done for you squeeze pages that basically allows you to do email marketing without you having to pay monthly fees to use this autoresponder. Also, bonus number 4, I'll be giving you access to my video training, where I'm going to be revealing to you how I drive free traffic from Quora, and how you too can also take advantage of this question and answer platform. This doesn't require you creating any content at all. This is copy and paste system that allows you to drive some high quality buyer traffic to any affiliate offer. And also bonus number 5, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. And all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of ProfitContact, which is actually going to go live by 11 a.m. 19th of August. This is where you'll be able to pick up ProfitContact, and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based or WhatsApp autoresponder. So as you send unlimited messages directly to phones of 2 billion plus people at a low one-time price, brand new email killer WhatsApp autoresponder lets you blast any link to millions of people within minutes. Say goodbye to email marketing, having to build a list of pay for SMTP and autoresponders. So feel free to come check this out in your own time to get full information about ProfitContact. You're also going to find proof of results right here on this sales page. So I'm just going to take you to the dashboard. The first thing you need to do is go to Account Manager, and this is where you actually be able to add your account. This is where you'll be able to set up your account. And here you can see the list of connected WhatsApp profiles. All you need to do is click on Add WhatsApp Profile to add your WhatsApp profile. And then you get your QR code here, which you can actually just place your phone right there, and you can actually scan this, and also the steps to actually connect your accounts are actually listed here. So once you've actually connected your account, it's very easy to use. You can just go to messaging, and then you can just copy and paste or type your message here. You also get access to your list, which is basically the list of your subscribers, and also you can add subscribers to your list just by clicking on Add New. Select the list you want to add your subscriber to, first name, last name, the phone, hit submit to add subscribers to the list selected, and then you can basically go and send messages to a list which can contain unlimited amount of subscribers, and this happens just once. And then you can send unlimited messages even from your account. So this is so easy to use. You also get access to training on how to use ProfitContact, but this is very easy to use, and basically anybody can use this. So right now I'm going to show you the pricing and also the optional upgrades that come with ProfitContact. The front end goes for $17, but you can basically decline that and still pick it up for $15. Now the first optional upgrade is the ProfitContact Pro Edition that goes for $37. You'll be able to decline and pick it up for $27. The second OTO is the ProfitContact Enterprise Edition that goes for $47. You can decline that and pick it up for $37. The third optional upgrade is the DFY Edition that goes for $37. You'll be able to pick it up for $20. That goes for $39. You can pick it up for $29. The fourth one is the Reseller Edition that goes for $97. You can pick it up for $67. And also the final upgrade is the IMX bundle that goes for $197. You'll be able to decline that also and pick it up for $97. So that's going to be my review for ProfitContact. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Also, right here on my bonus page, you find a full demo of ProfitContact here. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.